Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell, here to bring you breaking news. Everything I show you here is my real money, my real positions, and we're joined by investors and traders from around the world who equally share with you all their live positions, and everything is real. So we're not promoting or pumping stock. You see me buy it live, you see me trade it live, you see me sell it live. This is all my money, and I mean all my money. I only have $2,000 in the bank at the side paying the day-to-day bills. This is my real money, so this is my real journey. All started with $5,000. We're at 39 today. We've had a good run. We've got a bit of a rally going on at the moment. So the question is, are we in the middle of a second bear market rally? Or is this more important, the potential end of the war? There is signs coming out now of Ukraine that Russia are dramatically being pushed back. Markets around the world are all rallying. So what do you think? We'll have a poll. In fact, I'll run that poll now. Let's set up a question. Could the war be coming to an end? And remember, if it does, the markets, in my opinion, are going to rally massively. Yes or no? Now, many people said this war could last a couple of years or even turn into a third world war. What do you think? Could the war becoming, that's two words. Could the war be coming to an end? There you go. So we're seeing dramatic turnaround right now in Ukraine. Now, we know Vladimir Putin will not want to retreat and give up and declare a loss, but he might be able to somehow, come up with some kind of I did this or I did that to save face. That's possible, but we are seeing, without a doubt, a rally across the world. In fact, all markets, I don't know if you've been watching this, but I will share with you right now, the markets around the world are all rallying right now. So let me share with you the markets. You can see what I'm talking about. I've just, for some reason, have lost my... yes, I haven't got that on here. Hang on a minute. Let me try that again. I apologise. I don't seem to have what I wanted to show you. No, I'll come back to that. I had some information I wanted to share with you, but basically, essentially what I was going to say was all the markets around the world, starting in New Zealand, Australia, going into Japan, across to Europe, are all up today by quite a way. So it's worth noting. All right, it's worth noting. Anyway, let me know what you think. Good afternoon. We got CY Financials in, Caden Youngquist. Did you notice, Caden, I sent you a message. You are our featured sponsored member this week in the newsletter, and I've seen your YouTube channel go up again, so you're doing very well now, growing nicely. Good afternoon, says Zebdeen. Theodore Roll says hi. Welcome everybody. Let's look at the S&P 500 now. What's this week going to bring? We're just around the corner from the next FOMC report of Fed Powell. Of course, we'll be covering that live on the show as we always do. That'll be a big day. But tomorrow, the CPI rates are out. Will we see inflation fall again? Well, every sign is to suggest that. So if we get tomorrow with the inflation coming down, that can only be good. So are we on a bear market rally, or is this the beginning? I'm just putting it out there. I'm not suggesting it is, but I'm saying, could it be the beginning of a bear market? No one has said this is the end. I have said possibly in my high-tech risk stocks, high-risk stocks, I think I bottomed. The overall market may not have bottomed, but what do you think? I'd like to know. 67% so far say no. I normally go the opposite way to you guys, though, so it's great if everyone says no. That means it is going to be over. Anyway, Apple is up. Apple is up today. The market's thank you very much indeed. Simply Tero is now following me. Are you following me over on Twitch? That looks like. Thank you for the follow. Simply Terrell, if you subscribe to me using your Amazon Prime, which is absolutely free, Amazon Prime Gaming, then you will be in our free prize draw every month on Twitch. It's free every month. You can see I have 17 subscribers. And if you subscribe to me on Twitch using Amazon Prime Gaming, you will be in my free prize draw. I do it every single month on the first Friday of the month. And we do competitions, cash prizes here every week on YouTube. All right. Robinhood is up 1.6 today. I'm up 10% Robinhood now. McDonald's is up. Or alternatively, rather than the war is coming to an end or beginning of a potential bull market, which I don't think it is, by the way, then do you think this is a pump before tomorrow? Do you think the markets are going to react tomorrow in a downtrend by pumping today and dumping tomorrow? What do you think? I think inflation is going to come down, but the Fed has indicated it's still going to be very hawkish. It's not going to turn dovish, and it's not going to lower rates. What it could do is go 0.5% when it reports. It could go 0.5% rather than 0.75. That would be good. The market would like that, but we shall see. All this is to see. But anyway, markets are looking great. Tesco up 7% this morning. Wow, that's a turnaround. That's a great investment for me. I knew it was oversold. Look at that. Look at that for a turnaround. Oh my gosh. That's a turnaround of the century, that one. Look at this. I've been saying for ages that Tesco is secular, and it's a good dividend too. So what you want to do is buy it here and sell it here. It keeps doing the same thing for the dividends. Once you've got your dividends, wait for it to peak, sell it, buy it again if you want to do that, or just hold it, either way around. But the other day, we had a 5-year low. And I know that Tesco in the UK, Tesco is like Walmart, okay? I know Tesco is suffering, as all supermarkets are, because of inflation and supply and everything else. But at the end of the day, Tesco's is our biggest supermarket. It's our favourite supermarket. It's not going anywhere. People need it, you know. Other things you can perhaps do without, but you can't do without Tesco's, right? It's like saying you can't do without Walmart. I mean, it's pretty impossible. Simply Terrell, just subscribe to me over there on Twitch. Thank you very much indeed. You might as well. Now, I will warn a couple of people. A couple of people have subscribed to me on Twitch, and your subscriptions have lapsed. There's 17, I had 19, so 2 of you need to renew it. You can set it to renew automatically. I don't know why you wouldn't, because it's free. Anyway, On is up 0.53 today. Tilray Brands, let me refresh Tilray, it's gone to sleep. Ginkgo Bioworks, trying to get a re-entry point. Enphase Energy, I'm up again on it. Glad to be back in again. Dropped back a bit, but anyway, Bitcoin SV is up today 2%. Now, what is going on here? We all know that the Ethereum merger is on the 14th, 2 days to go. So we're getting a bit of action on Ethereum. Now, this could be a pump and dump. I personally think that's likely to happen. So what do you think? Let's go back to Tilray. Is Tilray loaded now? Yep, Tilray up 0.29. But the big story of the day so far, without a question of a doubt, is my Tesco. Every little helps, as they say. Up $91 overall on my portfolio. Good. So there we go. So far up 1.48. Now let's get some perspective. This is the day. This is the week position. In fact, I'll do it another way. For this position, I'll share with this over here. This is the day position. Our week position, we're up nearly 10% over the week. So let's get that into context as well. And if we jump past the month just for one moment, this is what's important. We're up 11% in the last 3 months. We're down over the month though. 8.5%, but we've had days where we've made 11% in a day. So that's completely doable if we get a good report tomorrow. 3 months. Now, if you look at it on the year, we formed a higher low. See, we've been coming down consistently all the time, coming down, and each time we bounce, we go up, and we come back down again. Now this time we bounced here, came up, dropped back, but this is a higher low. Been saying now for a couple of days, we keep going lower lows. Now we've got our first higher low since November. So, and we're rallying now. So it could be a turnaround. Anyway, interesting to see, I think. I don't know if you agree with me, but I think it's quite interesting to see. So things are looking slightly different. Now, I know the economy's awful and China's awful, but if we get good news come out of Ukraine, this will turn everything around. Let's see if we've gained any subscribers this morning. In fact, I'll wait a little bit before I do that. All right, let's get back into our trades. Welcome everybody this morning. How would you compare Twitch versus YouTube subscriptions? Well, Twitch, you pay for it, but you don't pay for it because Amazon Prime do. YouTube subscriptions are free. YouTube subscription doesn't really do anything. It just tells the algorithm that you like this channel, and the channel will YouTube will share with you the videos and the live streams and so on and so forth if you've rung the bell. But the YouTube subscription doesn't give you anything, whereas the Twitch subscription gives you a cash prize draw every month. What you should compare it to is YouTube memberships. Now, memberships on YouTube is far higher than what you get on Twitch. That's a subscriber, if you like, but it's free, so you're not paying for it. So Twitch is good for the cash prize draw, and YouTube is good for the memberships. And if you're a member, of course, on YouTube, you get many perks, but you can watch all of those perks through Twitch if you are a YouTube member. Anyway, I hope that explains it a little bit. Hi all, says Mark, how are you this morning? Mike is over there on Twitch. Thanks for keeping that open. Good morning everybody on TikTok. How's everybody? Rob says every little helps. Absolutely right. I believe that I got a good deal with Tesco's. Memberships has its privileges. Yes, loads of perks and benefits with being a member on YouTube. That's the most important thing, yeah. All right. Okay, we got a good crowd coming this morning. Would everyone please subscribe or ring the bell if you've just tuned in? And we've got the news. We've got breaking news. If we feel we need to bring in something, please smash the like button as well. And let us know you're here. Drone Art Aerial Services, good morning to you. Lot to celebrate this morning. The CPI tomorrow, of course. Now then, the poll so far, you've said 50-50. Could the war be coming to an end? 53% say no. So you don't really know. That's the ultimate answer. And nobody does, right? Nobody does. But Russia are certainly being pushed back right now. Anyway.
Expressing his gratitude for the messages of condolence.
We're listening in all the time to Buckingham Palace. And I will keep bringing it to you as something
well, the King and his Queen
relevant.
Consort left Clarence House this morning to make the short journey to the Palace of Westminster.
It will bring it to you as and when required, okay? Throughout the morning and the afternoon. This is our overall portfolio right now, as you can see, doing pretty nicely. Rob McLean, how are you, Rob? You come over from TikTok onto YouTube. Welcome to you. I think Rob McLean, no, that says you were, I think, over on TikTok. I think you are one of my moderators. I think you are. That's right, isn't it? Yes, it is. Okay, this morning King Charles was quite emotional for the very first time. He was sung God Save the Queen by a public community. Obviously, he's not been on YouTube. Because I sung it to him the other day. I was the first in the world. Well, probably. I mean, probably was. Anyway, hey Rob, good morning. Okay, welcome everybody. Okay, it's our first commercial break of the morning. We don't do it like TV every 10 minutes here in America. We do it every 20 minutes, so I think I'm extra nice to you. Here's a commercial break. Skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And we're back. There we go. So, the question is today, do you think the war could be coming to an end? What do you think? What do you think? We've got the CPI rate coming up tomorrow. We've got the FOMC report with the interest rates. Now I'm predicting a 0.5% interest hike, which will be good, which will be down from 0.75 again. So that will be good. Certainly not expecting interest rates to come down. But anyway, let's see what happens. The S&P 500 is up at the moment. My overall portfolio is up 1.35. A lot of that this morning, I had a nice bounce this morning from Tesco's. Tesco's this morning, I bought a lot more Tesco's. I now have 352. I doubled up and doubled up again. I had a very small position at one point, but when that dropped like that, that in my book was a dramatic oversell. This was a dramatic oversell. All right, we know it comes down in secular, but that drop there was excessive. So I thought, right, okay, Tesco isn't going anywhere. Let me buy some more. So I've got dividends to be paid out. I think it's next month they'll pay out. Plus, I've got a nice growth now. I've bought the bottom, if you like. In fact, what was the bottom? The bottom was 809. 848. Yeah, I could have gone even more, but I don't want to have the Tesco portfolio. Anyway, who else we got here? Hi Rob, Brick, Queen, and Seb, and Drone. Good morning. Good morning, Mike. Afternoon, all. Stu Walk. Good morning, Stu Walk. One of our traders who left a voicemail. Shall we listen to Stu Walk?
Here on Martyn Lucas Day Trading. Great show. Great community. Loving the feels from a local man that is now not local, but soon to be probably local again at some point in his life. Just keep it going, keep getting rich, or at least watching your money and holding your money and saving it for the rainy day, which will come one day.
We've also got the Queen of Self-Braiding in the channel today. Let's bring up the Queen.
I would like to welcome the new members especially, and I'm so proud of this family and your work. Well, especially this family has been so wonderful doing some work for Uganda. On behalf of Zach, I'd like to thank you so much.
Very welcome. Now, if you want to call in, if you want to be part of it today, and Scoria, I know Scoria, it's just outside Truro, lovely stuff. I'll be there on the 15th of October. I look forward to seeing you all there on the 15th of October. I am celebrating passing my advanced motorcycle rider exam this morning. Yes, I'm an advanced motorcycle rider too, Rob. I too did that. I was trained by Pete, who was an outrider for the RAF. I did my CBT, of course, then I did my part 1, my part 2, and then I did advanced motorcycle training. So I used to have a Phaser S2, Yamaha S2 Phaser, took it across Europe, up the mountains, across into Ireland as well. Loved it. Welcome. Ride safe, my friend. Keep in the command position. Rob knows what I'm talking about. Congratulations to you. So yeah, let's give Rob McLean a big congratulations this morning. I love that news. Be safe though, my friend. Be safe. As you've done advanced, you'll be a defensive rider. Anyway, congratulations to you. Here come the fireworks. There you go. Congratulations. Very good indeed. Very impressed. Afternoon all. Good afternoon to my peeps on the other side of the world. Church of Logic. Did you see they are downgrading Virgin Galactic to sell with a valuation of 4? I'm paying no attention to that. But thank you for sharing that, Drone Art. I am paying no attention to that whatsoever. So there you go. I'm not paying any attention to that. There's a lot of negativity, a lot of shorters now getting involved with Virgin Galactic. But I'm not really concerned. Is anybody else concerned by that? What do you think? Power and Beauty. Good morning, good morning. Stewart, hey, hey, hey. Congratulations, says the Church of Logic. Well done, Rob. Here come the family. Well done, Rob. Oh, guess who I spoke to? Guess who I messaged and got a response from in a live chat yesterday? Can anybody guess? Yesterday, I was talking to a seriously big YouTuber who responded to me in the chat and also looked at his video that I made referring to him. And we had a conversation via chat. In the live chat, we were talking to each other. I got a response. Anybody guess who that might be? I understand the risk that comes with space. If I was worried, I would have sold weeks ago. Oh, by the way, Church of Logic, I have watched your video. Absolutely have watched your video that you sent to me. I'd already seen it actually, but I watched it again. Thank you very much indeed. I'm not concerned at all. Meet Kevin. Yep, it was Kevin. He was doing a. He was back on YouTube, back as predicted, and I was chatting to him in the live chat during his premiere, and it was quite interesting. And there we go. I've invited him to come on the show. I don't think he will because, you know, we talked. He said he would communicate further with me, but you know, my video was difficult for him. I guess it wasn't disrespectful, but I feel that you can't keep disrespecting your YouTube audience. So obviously he'd have to come on and face that. Which he might be prepared to do. I don't know. But he watched the video as well. I know he'd seen the video. But you know, I said, you can't keep telling people you're leaving YouTube. Your priority is, if you build an audience, is your audience, because your audience have made you the money that you're now using to make a $1 billion, which he announced. So I respect the guy's success. I'd like to talk to him. He's a family man. I'm sure he's a decent person. I just felt that he's going in the wrong direction when he disregards his YouTube audience and uses them as puppets. And that was my comment. That was my opinion. So anyway, be interesting if we could have that conversation, but he probably won't want to face that. I don't know. The guys that's ending his stream. The guys that's ending his stream. Yeah, it would meet Kevin, Drone Art. Yeah. But he's back again now. Apparently he's left about half. He's left 3 or 4 times, and you can't keep treating people like that. But anyway, he feels he can, and it's his channel. And he's made a lot of money doing it. So who am I to judge? Who am I to judge? What do I know anyway? Oh, guess what I did? Guess what I did on Saturday night for the first time in ever? I actually went on a gig. An agency called me up and said, do you want to do a gig? It was playing in a nice, like, 5-star restaurant on the Star in Dallas. You know, where all the rich people go. In a, whatever, the Dallas Cowboys and all those sort of people. Anyway, I said, okay, possibly. I haven't done a gig like that for years. I said, my full-time job now is on YouTube, so I wouldn't want to be getting into it every night of the week again. Certainly not that sort of thing. I used to do theatre shows, much bigger events. And he offered me the gig, and I thought, all right, I'll spend a couple of hours in a restaurant at the piano playing and singing. And they enjoyed it. And they liked it, and they asked me to come back. So they've offered me again this Saturday. I said to Leah, as soon as I start doing it again, people will start asking me to do gigs again. So that's I find it always difficult to turn down gigs. Anyway, so if you're in the Dallas area, I think the Queen is in the Dallas area. Actually, I will be at a venue in. I'll message you if you want to. Just let me know. I'll give you the venue and location this Saturday between 7:30 and 10:30 in Frisco, which is north of Dallas. I'm doing a gig. So there you go. come and say hi if you want to request us at the piano. Anyway, let's have a little look. Hello, good people. Mr. Clockwork. Zelensky is to run the money laundering. Zelensky has to run the money laundering on, as there are a lot of printed dollars. Has to run the money laundering. Who is buying Ethereum besides me? I'm not buying Ethereum besides you. I don't think it's the time to buy Ethereum right now. I'm up 60% on it. I only have $1 of it, right, as a marker, but it's up 60% because we're going into the emerge tomorrow, and I think it will pump and dump. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's the best thing in the world, and Ethereum's going to go to $1 million. I don't know. No one knows, right? You got 5 Ethereum. Bloody hell, Clockwork. You got 5 Ethereum. When did you buy that? What, just bought it now? It's like nearly 10 grand. Bloody hell. About 7 grand, something like that. Bloody hell, mate. Very nice. If I was in Dallas, I don't think it's a place I can afford. Yes. Yeah, well, it's free to go in and you can have a Coke for £1 and sit at the bar, you know, for £1, $1. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to sit down and have Ethereum, have something to eat. Anyway, today, you bought it today. Bloody hell. How about that? Very impressed. Mr. Clockworks just bought 5 Ethereum. Yeah. Why did you leave it? Why did you leave it right up to the point of the merge? Because obviously it's been rising for weeks. It's been rising for a few weeks now. Let's say it. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe Ethereum's the best thing in the world and it's going to go $1 million. I don't know. Ethereum will go to 10,000 and flip bit. See, this is what worries me. What you just said there is a headline I've seen all over YouTube. If people say it enough, people believe it enough. What do you think? I mean, do you believe that because everybody else is saying it, or do you know it, or do you have some scientific evidence? I know. That's what worries me with all this on YouTube. People telling you this stuff. You know, Ethereum will go to $10,000. I mean, how does anyone actually come up with that number and believe it wholeheartedly, 100%? I don't know how you can. Last week I made 2,000 on Jasmine coin. So you know what you're doing. You see, you got more guts than me, because I needed to get my profit on Jasmine. No, because Ethereum has real use case. Yeah, I know that. So does a lot of things. I'm not trying to ruin your party. I'm just trying to be cautious for you. That's all. I'm just trying to be cautious. I don't know. Ethereum will do 2,000 to 3,000 first. Ethereum will do 2,000 to 3,000 first. You know, this is what Paul B says. Paul B says it's going to go to 2,000 to 3,000, then pull back. See, it's all guessing, though. You know, at the end of the day, it's all guessing. I mean, my belief is based upon greed, patience. No one's got any patience. And the fact that no one's got any money, everybody needs money, everyone's credit cards are out of hand. So I think what's going to happen is it's going to go up on the merge, it's going to pump, it'll dump, and people will try and drive it down, short it to buy it back. That's what I reckon is going to happen. Not because the chart says so, just because that's how people behave. That's how people behave on it. So I've always said I've got buy orders to buy Bitcoin, BTC that is, and Ethereum when it keeps going down. I mean that's me. But I mean, you know, my money's working elsewhere. It's not like it's not doing anything. Money loves brave people. I'm brave. I've got all my money in all the world on the stock market, so I'm brave enough. Ethereum doesn't work like it was meant to, so not sure it's going to last. They are Stu Walk. That's what he thinks. On the front page of the Indianapolis Star paper this morning is an article about hemp growers in Indiana, especially one called Half Moon out of Fortville, a little town where I live. Well, we're waiting for Tilray to do its thing. I'm down 1%. I've got a lot more of it now. Ethereum will be $100 a coin. Ethereum Classic will be 100. My concern is with these forks constantly. I mean, I read yesterday that after the merge there could be another fork, so there'll be Ethereum Classic Plus Pro. It's like iPhones. There's Ethereum Classic, Ethereum Classic Pro, Ethereum Classic Pro Max. That's what they'll be. I mean, do you know? But the point is, though, guys, percentage is percentage. If Ethereum goes up, so will Ethereum Classic, so will Ethereum Classic Pro, so will Ethereum Classic Pro Max. It doesn't matter. It's just a percentage, right? It's what you want to do with it. Now, Paul will say, yeah, you know, it has use values. So you might want to buy one over a particular one because you like what you can do with it, whether you're an NFT purchaser or whether you use it on a credit card or you collect points or you stake it or whatever it is your use case is, you'll have your favorite, right? I understand that. But what people shouldn't do, and I see this all the time, is they get all excited when a coin is either really expensive, like Bitcoin, so it looks like this amazing thing that's going to go to $1 trillion, or something like Shiba Inu, which is 0.0000000. They go, it's really cheap. It doesn't matter how cheap or expensive it is. It's about the S curve. It's about the growth. Is it going to go up in value? I mean, do you care how cheap something is? If I bought a Ferrari today for 100 grand, and then it went to 200 grand, 100% profit tomorrow, that would be great, right? It's a percentage, isn't it? I mean, it's all that really matters. Anyway, just saying. Right, we're on the hour. We're coming up. Diet Ethereum. What's Diet Ethereum? Is that another one? Don't even start. Okay, here we go. This is some breaking news for you. I thought I'd bring it in. We got all sorts going on today, of course, with the King. And, of course, our former Queen.
And, indeed, from around the world, people sensing here that this is a moment in time, a moment of change, of history, but also a moment to share their feelings with each other and with the royal family itself. You know, in the immediate aftermath of the Queen's passing, there was that period where...
We'll just keep popping in and out from time to time if anybody wants an update. In fact, if anyone wants a quick King or Queen update, just write in the chat, King or Queen. All right? Write King or Queen in the chat, and I will jump on a King or Queen update. All right? I think that's a good way of doing it. Right, I'm at 1.56 this morning, up again, looking nice, still climbing. Paul B says no, he doesn't want a King or Queen update. Fair enough. But we have to respect it, of course. It's a big part of our history, and I'm proud to be involved with it. So it's relevant, it's news, it's important. I tell you what, the markets have been up consistently since we lost the Queen. And I was asked yesterday, does that have any effect on the pound on the market? And my answer is a categorical no. The reason the markets are rising right now is we are in a bear market rally. We had our first one. It faded away. We're now having our second one. Plus, we've got the CPI rate tomorrow, and people are pumping into a potential dump. It could quite happen. Or we are getting optimism coming into the markets because of the war in Ukraine potentially coming to an end. So let's remember that option as well. Anyway. At market opening, Ethereum will skyrocket. But who knows, right? Wait till all Americans wake up. Well, I don't know. I know what you're saying, America wakes up. But remember, I don't really think that's relevant with crypto. First of all, it trades 24/7, 7 days a week online. You don't need to be awake on the stock market. You know that anyway. That's the first thing. The second thing is, like me, and I'm sure millions of others, you set buy orders. So, you know, I've got it. I'm not buying anything on the uptrend. I'm buying it on the downtrend. But I've got orders to buy Bitcoin at 17,000, 15,000, 10,000, and that's it. I don't need to worry about it. It'll happen in my sleep. It doesn't matter. And at the minute, I haven't got any sell orders, obviously. Yeah, Tesla is now $900 a share. If you want to look at it in those terms, it's been up now consistently, steadily over 3 months. So, again, you know, when we talk about, you know, we're in a bear market, for 3 months now, Tesla is up. Let's get that straight. A bear market means the overall markets. Tesla has been up consistently for 3 months. Tesla is not in a bear market. How can you say Tesla is in a bear market? It's consistently up. Look at that over the week. It's a straight line. Over a month, you know, things go up and down. But the more you pan out, the more you will realise that actually Tesla is in an uptrend. Wouldn't say it's a bull market necessarily, but it's certainly not a bear market. Let's have a look. Tesla is up. When I sleep, I set only sell orders, aka stop losses. Ah, okay. Fair enough. I'm here. Zach is here. How are you, Zach? Lovely to have you here. Zach is back as a silver member, everybody. Zach is back as a silver member. Fantastic. We postponed the fundraisers at the moment for obvious reasons. Markets are down. Just talking about Tesla being up for 3 months, but you know what I mean. And I felt it was better. People are more likely to support our charities. We have 3. We have the Queen of Logic. Sorry, the Queen of Logic. The Church of Logic. We have the Queen of Self-Braiding, an event for her. We also have an event for Zach, which was given by Rob Brennan. And we also have an event for Tom CMV Studios, by the way. All right, did everyone, let me end the poll there right now. We've got enough votes, 30 votes, 50-50. I'm going to say pretty much no one knows. Okay, pretty much no one knows. All right, we got 30 watching, 21 likes. Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. We want 1 minute on the clock. We want 25 likes in 1 minute. Are you ready? Here we go. Said a chiggy 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 pow pow. Said a chiggy 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 pow pow. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. Bitcoin will 10,000 to 12,000 very, very soon. Here we go. Chiggy 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 pow pow. Said a chiggy 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 pow pow. We need 3 more likes. 3 more likes. There we go. Chiggy 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 pow pow. Nearly there now. Zebdeen, good mate. How are you? Welcome, welcome, everybody. I spoke to Meet Kevin over the weekend via a chat. That is anyway. There we go. Hi, Mike. Good to see you. Church of Braiding Queen of Logic. I know. I'm getting confused, right? Doesn't take much to get me confused, does it really? Doesn't take much. Good morning, Zach. Ha, Zach. Right, okay. All right, we got just over 15 minutes to go before the lightning round, before we get crazy with it. But before then, though, you know what's coming. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Good morning, all. Chris H. How are you, Chris H? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, everybody. Lovely to have you here. Hey, church. The overall portfolio now is looking nice. We are now, have a quick look in. We're up 1.56. All global markets are up today. Why does everyone predict the markets are up? I suggested perhaps the war coming to an end in Ukraine. We had a 50-50 vote on that. No one really knows. But I feel people believe that potentially, remember, markets price 6 months ahead. People are now feeling perhaps the war's coming to an end. CPI rate tomorrow, we're expecting inflation to come down. Have we reached a bottom? Well, we shall see. War is not going to end, says Church of Logic. Well, we shall see. Ethereum to 3,000 very, very soon. There we go. We got some difference of opinion here when it comes to Ethereum. No, it's not finished yet. No, it's not finished yet. But the point is the markets are always ahead of the game. Remember, markets is all about, they want to know where we're going. They want to know where the markets are going, just like we all do. We're trying to predict the future, basically, aren't we? If we know the markets are going to go down to zero, we all sell out and then buy back at zero. Simple as that. So the markets are predicting, believing that potentially the war could be coming to an end. Troy Stewart, big day today. AMC takes off at the open. AMC takes off at the open. Join us. We make the MOAS happen this week. Buy the stock. AMC, there you go. That's what Troy just said. Takes off at the open. Join us. We make MOAS happen this week. Buy the stock. There you go. AMC. If you were a member of the channel, Troy, I can review the stock, make a video on it, put it out there, promote it for you. But you have to be a member of the channel to do that. Did everybody... Oh, let me just do a question. I'll do another little poll. Remember our... members, you can have a poll. Let's have a look. Ethereum up 1.14. Bitcoin 2.89. I've got my buy orders ready to go. Enphase up. Ginkgo Bioworks up. Waiting for an opportunity to buy there. Tilray up. On Semiconductor. Waiting for the lightning round. Canoe, kind of barcoding at that level. What's out? Tesco, great news today. Sorry, I was on the wrong screen then. Beg your pardon. Tesco, great today. 3%. The first time I've been in the money with Tesco. I bought a huge dip. So that's really, really helped me out. Arrival. You all told me not to buy it. I'm studying more and more about this stock. Could it go bankrupt? And the question is, yes, it could. Rolls-Royce, 93. How's Rolls-Royce? There we go. Rolls-Royce is 93. Arrival, Amazon, Lucid. Remember, I bought that dip as well. Rivian. Up 40% now. Make a screenshot of Ethereum price at the moment, as you probably will never see it that cheap again. Oh, who knows? I don't. Mr. Clockwork is very optimistic, and I hope he's right. I hope he is. I don't care for myself, really. I don't. I want to see everybody do well. I don't. If it goes down, great. I'll buy some. But I hope for those of you that have got it, it doesn't go down. But end of the day, though, if it goes down, and you hold, and then I buy, and then it goes up, we both win, right? So it doesn't matter, does it? I mean, it's end of the day, it's where you exit for your retirement. Because I'm presuming everyone has a plan here. Everyone is buying with a plan. You're not just willy-nilly buying it all over the place. Mega bullish on Ethereum. Wish you all the best. All right, let's have a quick look. This is great. 26 watching, 27 likes. Can't get better than that. Should we have a quick look? Did we gain any subscribers this morning so far? Shall I do it now? Yeah, go on then. 4830. 4831. When we get to 5,000, of course, we've got Greg Dickerson on the show. So we're looking forward to that. Mr. Clock, Ethereum will go under $1,000 when Bitcoin falls. Well, let's see what happens. What does everybody think? What does everybody think is going to happen? No one knows. I had to laugh actually though, guys. I watched Cryptos Are Us. You know, George. We're all George. He was so excited. All this good news that's coming out from Ethereum. Sorry, Bitcoin. I beg your pardon. Good news for Bitcoin. It was like, you know, the people that just promote the stock because they own it. You've got to be so very wary, because at the end of the day, he was all excited because $100 million worth of Bitcoin was about to be purchased by Michael Saylor, CEO, and MicroStrategies. Apparently, that's around the corner. But the reality is that'll make no difference to the stock. It won't, to the value. It won't do anything. But it's a good headline, though. But it won't do anything. It simply won't. You know, I don't know. People get so excited about headlines. It's the only person who wins is it gets everyone to watch the video. It's not really the truth, is it? Exactly. Either way, Ethereum is going at $10,000. There you go. Paul B. Ethereum Classic. So what do you think? What do we prefer? Here you go. We'll do a poll. Does anyone know the difference? Does anyone care what the difference is? All right. What do you prefer? Ethereum. Oops, a daisy. Ethereum. There you go. What do you prefer? Ethereum or Ethereum Classic? Anyone know the difference? Anyone? I care about the difference. Church of Logic. I care. I care very much. Black Swan event, and then the Ethereum will be number one. Okay. I love the passion for crypto. I really do. I just worry that that fan club mentality is very, 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 very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Guess for what I have voted. ETH is doing better. Look at that, 71%. How many people have voted for it so far? Oh, it's going down now. 8 votes, 62. If we end up with another split decision again, 50-50, it just says no one knows. That's what a 50-50 split says. No one really knows. It's the same as in America. Half the country are, Biden. Half the country are Trump. There's no direction. There's two sides to the camp, and there's no real direction. When you start getting a land, remember back in the 80s when we had Margaret Thatcher and she had a landslide, there was direction. The country went in a specific way, for good or bad. I'm not going to judge because this isn't a political show. But then there's power and direction, and there's a real momentum. When you've got everybody fighting and no one really can agree, and then nothing goes anywhere. And that's what's happening right now with all of this crypto. There's not one king of the king of the crypto. Needed and neither option. I know. Then don't vote then, Stu Walk. Don't vote then. In 2019, I had 57 Ethereum, but sold very early at 1,300. Then there is Liz Truss. There you go. Yeah, Liz Truss is no Churchill. She's no Margaret Thatcher. It's difficult though, isn't it? You got to remember, these are people, right, with feelings and emotions. I watched Liz Truss meet the King yesterday for the very first time. She, bless her, she didn't even know how to curtsy. Did anyone see Liz Truss's curtsy to the King? She just sort of went like that. There's an actual way to curtsy for a lady. You put one leg behind the other. You drop the first knee. It's elegant. No one had told her. No one had told her. Shall I show you a Liz Truss? Shall I show you a Liz Truss curtsy? She went like that. And you could see. You could see how terribly nervous she was. It was a bit flaky. It was like, someone could have told me how to do a curtsy. She doesn't care. Of course she cares. Of course she cares. She wants to do it right. The old world just recorded the worst curtsy in history. I'm mentioning it right now. If she was watching the show right now, she'd be up. She'd be like, oops, yeah. Maybe she's watching the Day Trader today and thinking, yeah, I better sort that out. I better get my curtsy sorted out. Up 1.51 today. Looking all right. So here we go. We had a little poll right now. Ethereum is winning 62%. Your curtsy like Princess Anne did to her mum's coffin. You curtsy like Princess Anne did for her mum's coffin. There you go. Princess Anne did it perfectly. Stephen. Princess Anne did it perfectly. Liz Truss, not so much. Right. We've now got this information about Virgin Galactic being regarded as a sell. I mean, I've never heard such ridiculous nonsense. Why would anyone sell Virgin Galactic at 5.96? Why? It's now got a $4 buy rating. She did a good curtsy. Yes, she did. Right, we're coming to 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. We've got several questions this morning. Are we going to see an Ethereum bounce this morning for Mr. Clockwork, who's very excited about seeing his money go all the way to the moon, as crypto lovers like to use? I don't like using going to the moon. For those of you that want to join me in Dallas on Saturday, I'm doing a gig. Did there last Saturday. I'm there again on the Star where the Dallas Cowboys are. Nice little area. Want to come and say hello? I'll be there at the piano. Anybody from Dallas? For those of you... Oh, yes. Let me end the poll right now. 13 votes. It's pretty much, again, the same thing. 62% of Ethereum. I'm not surprised because it's been around longer. People like to go with what they know or what they think they know or what's more likely. Five minutes to go. Market still rising. Have you opened the newsletter? There's my question. Yes. No. Don't get it. I better put don't receive it. Got to be clear on your polls. Don't receive it. There you go. Have you opened the newsletter, the cash prize giveaway newsletter? All right. Yes, you have. No, you haven't. Or no, I don't receive it. Here's the plan. Ethereum moons. I love that. Then I sell and buy 3 million trillion gazillion Jasmy, and 2023 I get 15 million gazillion trillion bazillion. I don't either Ethereum nor Ethereum Classic. I do still have 1.1 Bitcoin. I love that I bought once for 33 euros back in 2014. Isn't that awesome? Queen, the Ethereum Classic group I'm in, and there's about 50,000 in there, are all convinced miners are moving across. The all-electric Fisker Ocean Zero Emissions SUV is ready to start disrupt the automotive world with its beautiful craftsmanship, ingenious engineering, innovation, affordability, and sustainability. The all-electric Fisker Ocean Zero. Fisker, don't they make cutlery? I would like to come. Send me details. Okie dokie, Queen. All right. I shall do that. The Queen is self-braiding. I'll send you the details. I have a feeling Jasmine will change my life. You will televise me going to at least 1 gazillion trillion bazillion bazillion. Yeah, I will televise it. Yeah, I'll send the film crew around your house. Right, okay, here we go. We're getting ready for the lightning round. Are you ready? Big morning. We got the CPI rate in the morning. Sorry, yeah, tomorrow morning. Here we go. Let's get ready to go. Quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds time. It's going to be exciting. CPI rate tomorrow. If the rate comes down to 0.5%, the markets are going to love that. Also, we got, is the war coming to an end? Is Ethereum going to bounce? Is Bitcoin going to explode? We've got the merger in 2 days. It's a very, very big week. So here's our commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds. All right. Very, very exciting. Let's go. Send it to your messages. Thank you very much indeed. Right, we're at 1.63. 1 minute to go. Ready for the lightning round. Rocking and rolling all over the place. Good, good, good. Ethereum is about to departure. Oh, should we all buy it this morning? Should we all buy it? Right, here we go. 1 minute to go. The overall portfolio. The S&P. Where should we start? Virgin Galactic straight back up again. Right, you ready? We'll keep our eye on that one. 1 minute to go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Here we go. Ready for the lightning round. CPI tomorrow. Whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Few seconds to go. Okay, it's lightning round time. Are you ready? Buckle up. It's a big week. Big week for crypto, Ethereum, Bitcoin, CPI rate, war in Ukraine. And of course, God save the king as well. Here we go. 2, 1. And we're off. Okay, we're off with the lightning round. We are up 1.67. The overall market is now up 1.63. What are the winners? It's a big race. Who is going to win the race this morning? And we are off. The Vanguard S&P is up 0.58. My overall portfolio is now up 1.84. We could have 11% rise today. Oh, Virgin Galactic now 602. 0.3 so far is winning. There we go. Very, very nice indeed. Virgin Galactic. Did you sell out and get all stressed out? Virgin Orbit is up today, 0.74 and rising. Tesla is up 0.46, up 0.67 and rising. My overall portfolio is now up 1.84. Rivian Automotive is up 1.28 and rising, 1.36. Very nice. I'm up 42% now. Lucid, 2.65. I doubled up on this position. My overall portfolio now is up 2%. 2% and rising. Still going up. Lucid, Polestar is up 2.86. Arrival is up today at 1.83. 111. If I go back to the overall portfolio, see where we are right now. Let me change that screen to this screen here. And you can see the overall market is now up 1.91. Nearly $800 today. Looking very good. Arrival's just dropped back down again to 110. Okay, not so good at the moment. Amazon is up 1.1, just 1% now. Apple is at 1.42, 1.5, 1.52 and rising. Robinhood is at 1.42. McDonald's is at 0.17. Coca-Cola is up 0.08. Not a great deal of action. Johnson & Johnson is down. I am down 1.62. That'd be a short-term bounce, I would imagine. DNA up another 4%. I'm out of Ginkgo Bioworks at the moment. Google is up 0.5, looking very nice today. Google, nice swing there. Microsoft is up 0.39 as we move now to the final furlong. Meta Platforms is down 0.73, but rising. SoFi is up 1.66. I'm up 2% now. I've doubled up my position. IonQ is up 1.3. I've also added to my position on IonQ. I'm up 3%, 2.25% today. PayPal is up 1.89. My overall portfolio now is moving up, and we're up to 2.33, 39,000. Will we touch 40,000? Remember, we reached 45,000 on the last bear market rally, but we are now got a higher low. Could it go to 46 or even touch 50,000? And then you would start to say we're entering a bull market. Okay, Rolls-Royce up nearly 4% today. Nice gain. Walmart up 0.25%. Target up 1.25. And Tesco is up 7.86. That's my biggest. 6% now. Just dropped back a little bit. That's my biggest winner today. Canoe is up 1.75 as we come up to the line. On Semiconductor is up 0.6. The overall portfolio now is moving up to 2.48. We are touching nearly $40,000. Are we going to do it live right now as I watch it? As we come up to the line, are we going to hit $40,000? $39,993. Is it going to go to $40,000? If we get to 50,000, we will be in a bull market. That is my overall prediction. Tilray Brands is up 0.52, 1.4. Look at that. Ginkgo Bioworks up 6%. Up 30% right now. I'm out of the stock. And our biggest riser today was Tesco, and Enphase Energy on the line is down 1.43. Our crypto is also up today, 2.16. Bitcoin is up 3%. Nothing massive in crypto. Everybody on crypto YouTube channels will be going, this is the beginning of $1 billion, bazillion dollar Bitcoin, because up 3%. But reality is there are stocks that are up 6, 7, 8. There's probably stocks up at 10, 15% today and beyond. Anyway, Ginkgo Bioworks having a great run today. I'm out of the stock at the moment. It's all about timing. One day I say that to Seb Dean. Seb Dean was giving me rubbish tips. So the next day he's giving me great tips. It depends on the timing. Depends on the timing. Anyway, there we go. Tilray Brands is also up as well. Ginkgo Bioworks up 6%. Look at that. Hope you have your ticket for Thea and Wonderland Rich People Party. Easy C, hello. Space, proprietary technology. World that be the reason Virgin Galactic is manufacturing Delta-class spaceships in Arizona. Very nice. Look, Virgin Galactic, I'm all in. I'm not going anywhere. This nonsense about it's only worth $4. Remember, $4 is a price. It could go $4. It could go to any price. Is it the value? No. Not even close. Last week's crypto were up 10 to 50%. Or I'm just being reminded of how good crypto performed last week. Yes, you're absolutely right. I'm sure you're right. Very true. Your money is working elsewhere. It doesn't matter. Thank you, Seb Dean. That's one of my phrases. Get out of it. That's one of my phrases. I got all my phrases copyrighted, by the way. If anyone even uses one of my phrases, they have to pay royalties. And you know how we pay royalties here on The Day Trader? We do a super chat. That's what we do on The Day Trader. Highlight your name, get famous on the show. That's what we do. All right, fantastic. The overall portfolio is up 2.25%. We touched 40,000 for a minute. It's early in the day. Now we're getting the little bounce of selling off. Let's see where we go after here. Virgin Galactic is holding up. Very true. Your money is working elsewhere. It doesn't matter. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. And that's it. You have to tell yourself that. And Ginkgo Bioworks, my money is no longer in Ginkgo. I could have made 26%. It's your show, Martin. You're damn right. It's my show, Mike. Thank you very much. Who's over on Twitch today? We've got 4 viewers. Thank you very much indeed. If anyone could open a tab on Twitch, we're trying to get to 75 viewers so we can become a partner, and then I can give away even more cash prizes on Twitch. Please subscribe to me. Some of you have let your subscriptions lapse. There's 17 now. We had 19. We're down to 17 now. You got to renew it. It's free. You don't pay for it. It's free. Feedback. Feedback. Give me some feedback. Who's got feedback? You got feedback? I got feedback? Who's got feedback? Anybody got feedback? Ginkgo, do you mean as in like the sounds coming through from somewhere? What do you mean by that? Right, up 2%. Now, we're only going to be here until 9:30 because I'm going water aerobics this morning for my Exercise. Everything's dropping off. You got feedback. I can hear you twice. Can you? Can anybody else hear me twice? That may be because you have either Twitch open or TikTok open and you've not muted it. You might have the tab open and not muted. Don't worry, it's me. Yeah. See? Do I look like the person who doesn't know how to run a studio? But thanks for letting me know, because you never know. Even though I'm getting cocky now, going, I know what I'm doing, there's been times, loads of times, when I've messed up. So I appreciate you telling me. Right, special little deal going right now on TikTok, right? See the little star at the top? See the little subscriber? See the little subscriber thing? If you click on the subscriber, you can only do it. There it is. There's the little star. See it? I'm trying to get the 12 subscribers. You can. There's Bill. Look, he's giving me a rose. Look, there's one of my Luca badge owners. He's one of my subscribers. Bill, I'm going to make your video again today and post to your channel. Invite people to subscribe to your channel. If you are on TikTok and you click the little star at the top and you subscribe to me on TikTok, I do exclusive videos, exclusive content, and I also promote your channel. I've got nearly 25,000 followers on TikTok now, and I make a commercial for you. Put your channel on this screen here and do a video for you and tell everyone that they should subscribe to you. Yeah, and follow you. And then I put it on my profile to advertise your channel to nearly 24,500 followers, and then I share it with you so you can put it on your channel, and then you link the two channels and it helps you grow. So if you want to grow your TikTok channel, it's the best way you could grow it. Just become a subscriber to me on TikTok and I will make that video for you as a gift. It's what I do for my subscribers. And you get a Luca badge like Bill. He's got a Luca badge. See it? There you go. I need no one. Good for you. You're the only person in the world then. The Jewish banker says, I need no one. There we go. Great comment coming from you. Well, you're the only person in the world then who needs no one. I've never known anybody make money, be successful, all by themselves. But you've obviously got the skills that nobody else has. So well done to you. Congratulations. Right, Virgin Galactic going back down again. Did you pump and dump it? Nope. Did you hold it? Yep. That's where we are right now. Right, our profits are just falling off a bit, but that's okay. Markets go up, markets go down. We're pumping this morning, and Virgin Galactic will go up again. There you go. It's rinsing out all the doubters, people that don't know why they bought it in the first place. That's all right. See you later. Tesla going up today, 1%, 300. So we're $909 now. If you are a Tesla ancient trader, investor, remembers it when it was $900. We're at 309 now. Sorry, 909. $1,000 is round the corner. Let's check our Ethereum then. Was it the big day you anticipated? No, not yet. SoFi's up. SoFi's up 1% today. Yes, I'm up 1.65. I did buy some more SoFi when it was down. I also bought some more IonQ as well when it was down. Sid. Hello, Sid. Sid. Still holding Virgin Galactic. Got 550 now, but I'll buy some more if it dips below my average price. Very, very good strategy. Got 4 shares of Tesla. Not that much, but it's nice seeing it go up. Hey, don't ever say not that much. Everyone's situation is their own. Remember, whether you are Warren Buffett or me or you, it's all about what your percentage is. If you've got $1 and you're up 10%, you got 10% profit. It doesn't matter how many shares you've got. Doesn't matter. There are some people who have thousands of shares of Tesla, but they have the same value as you. They might have bought it when it was $1. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's not how much you've got, how many shares you've got. It's how much you're up by on a percentage terms. Not how much money you're up, because that's all to do with how many shares you got and what price you paid for it. But yeah, it's all about your position. Don't compare to everyone else. Don't even bother. I don't even care what everybody else is doing on the stock market or other YouTubers have got and what I haven't got. This is my family. This is my show. This is my community. Just do the best you can. Don't worry about anybody else. Just do your own thing. Steven, Steam 1081. We've got a guest over there on Twitch. Steam, where is it? I can't see him now. Steam 1081. Hi, Stephen. Why can't I see you over on Twitch? That's weird. That's weird. You've come in the show, but I can't see you anywhere. Over on... there we go. Steam 1081. If you follow me on Twitch, Steam 1081, and subscribe to me using Amazon Prime, which is free, by the way, we do a cash prize draw every month and give away the money we get. So you might as well subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime. We do it every single month. Right, got some breaking news about Tesco. Tesco is up 6.16. I already kind of knew that, but it's just officially been announced. Officially been announced. There you go. Great buy. I'm very happy with that. Target. So the supermarkets are doing well. Everything goes up in the beginning. Everything goes up in the beginning. Well, not every morning it doesn't. Where have you been, church? Right, let me open up the broadcast lounge. Broadcast lounge for members is now open. If you want to call in, this is... If we've got any YouTube members here... Yeah, just wait for Pal to talk and everything goes back down. Yeah, if you are a YouTuber and you are a member, you've got a badge and you've not got full access to Discord yet, which means you can't see all the private channels, you can only see the public channels, let me know and I'll upgrade your account today live on the show. And you can also call in by going down here to the broadcast lounge. Just there, if you want to call into the show, you can. All right, it's open now. Over there on TikTok, I am down in space, $617 right now. I know how it feels like. I'm down thousands of dollars. I bought at $35 and bought and sold, made money, lost money. Now I'm down at an average of 607, but now I've got 1,500 shares. And I'm holding. I'm actually going to the space station in the UK on the 15th of October, and I'm also going to the space station in New Mexico next year. And you can join me there, both of those actually, if you want to join me there. Just wait for Powder Talk and everything goes back down again. That's tomorrow. The CPI rate is tomorrow. All right. We're still holding up. We're 39,992. We've dropped through the 40,000 again. But we are climbing again. And Virgin Galactic is now going up again. I just need to take a 10-second break. Don't go away. All right, we're back again. There we go. So awesome that you are going to the space station. Looking forward to seeing your video of it. Yes, Sid, you can be there virtually. Have you all clicked on that video so you can be there? Do you have BHP on your markets? Brian Warby. Hang on, Brian Warby. What you got to do, Brian, you got to come on in. You got to come on in and you got to say hello. And then we'll share with you all our stocks, all our positions. This is our real positions, our real trades. And where you from, Brian? Afternoon all. Dave Mottram's here. Wonderful. Dave Mottram's here. So we got a guest in, everybody. We got Brian Warby has just popped in to say hello. So let me just introduce you to the family. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm known as the World Piano Man. I did a gig on Saturday for the first time in ages down in Dallas on the Star, where all the Dallas Cowboys hang out. Anyway, this is my studio here in Dallas, Texas, and I'm actually from the UK. Let me give you a wave. How you doing? All right. Okay. Australia. I played in Brisbane and Melbourne. Did a cruise there. There you go. Lovely to have you here, Brian. UK is all the members. You'll notice we are one of the most, if not the most engaged YouTube channel on YouTube. We're very small. We're very new, just over a year old, but nearly every single person who watches our shows is a member. And ask them why. They'll tell you why. This channel exists for you. I go live up to 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday. We do fundraisers. We raise money for people. I do my free concerts. I am in Brisbane. I did a wedding there. Lovely to have you here. This is my portfolio grown all from $5,000. So there we go. And I'm not going to get excited until I hit 50,000. All right. S&P is up 0.81 today. Looking very nice indeed. I bought more on the dip. We are expecting some overwhelming news tomorrow. Of course, we'll be live this afternoon for the closing bell, but also tomorrow for the CPI rate information. We've got the Fed Powell Jerome talking on the show. Of course, we've got that coming up. The FOMC report. We've got the Ethereum merge live as well. We'll be bringing all that to you on the 14th. It's all happening here live on the show. And we've got day trader of the day competition in a minute. Virgin Galactic is now 607. I'm at a wash again. We've got Virgin Orbit now is up. Let's check the other end of our scale, Ethereum. If you want to see my full portfolio, ask me and I'll share it with you. If you want to call live into the show, you can call live into the show and be on the show. Here are some of our guests. Who shall I bring in this morning? Who shall I bring in? I'll bring in Kurt Wuckert. He's an expert on crypto from CNN, Fox, all the main news channels. Here's Kurt.
I'm Kurt Wuckert Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
There we go. Fantastic. So we're looking at all our assets right now across the board. And I am in Brisbane. You asked a question, didn't you? I think you said, do you have BHP on your markets? BHP. Is that a stock, is it? BHP? I'm not familiar with it. Let me have a quick look. BHP. Yes, I do. BHP Billiton. Yes, I do have it on my market. If you are on my brokerage, rather, I don't invest in it, but if you are a member to the channel, I can review it. I can make a video on it. I can put it out. I can promote it, and sometimes I'll even buy it. And all our members might buy it as well. So if you want to be a member of our channel, here's the invitation to join. You can access Discord as well. The stock AMC is moving MOAS. What does that mean, MOAS? Is that a word? I've never heard of it. What does that mean? There is buy, he's saying. There's the link if you want to be a member. If you want to be part of Discord and you want to get all my top stock tips, you want to call in like Kurt did, or you want to leave a message or share your trades, then there is the Discord link. You only get the public channels as a non-member on YouTube. But anyway, there you go. Right, very, very exciting. We've got lots of news to share this morning and discuss. Our poll is yes. Most of you, 60% have opened the newsletter. Congratulations. You will be in our cash prize draw on Friday. It's free to enter, free for all. You might as well receive the newsletter every week and open it. 30% haven't opened it yet. Okay, we'll get round to it. That'll bring it up to 90%. And only 11% now do not receive our newsletter. Fantastic. I'll end the poll. Nearly everyone does. Nearly everyone's in our cash prize giveaways. If anybody else wants it, in the chat, just say you'd like the newsletter and I'll give you the link. It's free to enter, free for all, and you can be in our free prize draw. We do it every single week. All right. Someone's asking me a question over there on Twitch. Who's asking me a question on Twitch? First time chat from viewer. SSSSS. That's some name, isn't it? Let's put them on the screen. There we go. SSSSS 42422222. What is the point of that? Welcome to you. If you want to be in our free prize draw, we give away money every single Friday and every month on Twitch. Subscribe to me using Amazon Prime Gaming. It's free, and I give away the money I give away the money I get on memberships back to you. This channel is alive 10 hours a day to serve you. I'm here to help people. I like a newsletter, please, and thanks. Okay, Paul Blogs, I like your name. Here's Paul Blogs. Every single Friday, we give away a cash prize. Every single Friday. And we also do it on Twitch as well for free. And how you do it is we send out a secure newsletter. That way we don't have bots and scammers and lazy people win it. It's for real people, real investors, people who need the money, who want the money. Okay, there you go. There is our newsletter. When you click on it, it'll take you to this page here. You'll see my email here. Just bear with me a second. I'll share it with you. You will see this page here. You put your email in there. Nothing else. It's a secure server, HTTPS. This is my all links page. If you scroll down, you'll see all my social media, all my free stocks, all my sponsors that give me stuff that I can give to you, all the way down. All right. But you put your newsletter, you put your email in there, and that's it. Now, once you've done that, you need to verify the email. You will receive an email which will always go into your junk folder. Why? Because it contains the word cash prize draw. That's why. And the email you're looking for is the email of this show, which is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. I'll put it in the chat for you. Verify it. And on Sunday at 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, you receive the newsletter. In the newsletter are all my top tips. And you can sponsor the newsletter if you want to promote your YouTube channel and all that kind of stuff. But also it will give you the competition video, and it says, watch this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and you'll be in the draw. And that's it. And all you have to do is watch like a 1 minute or 2 minute video. That's it. And that's how you enter the draw. In there as well, it will tell you that you can subscribe to Twitch using Amazon Prime, and every month I give away the money I make on subscriptions every month on Twitch as well. All right, there you go. It's all good. Paul Blogs, you look like a YouTuber. Would everybody please welcome him in? My name is Martyn Lucas, known as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. During a show, I will go back to the back of the studio and do a song. If someone requests a song, I will go back there and sing. Let me give you a wave. I'm here in Dallas, Texas. And even though I'm from the United Kingdom, in Cornwall. And we're going to be there on the 15th of October for our Day Trader Convention. You can be there with me at the party. $50 in the super chat or £50 in the super chat, and you will be there for the pasty party on the beach and the entertainment in the evening, all the day traders, and you'll be live on the Day Trader show as well. Best $2.99 or $5.99 I spent a month. There you go, Stephen Rowe. Thank you very much indeed. He's talking about the membership. You will notice, Paul Blogs, that everybody here, nearly everyone, is a member. And ask them why. They get 20 times back what I put in. I'm trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world that gives more away. We've raised a lot of money for charities. We support everyone. We bought Bill, our war veteran. We repaired his new his scooter, electric scooter, to get around. $1,500. We've sent money to Zach. I sent $40,000 to the McKinney nurses. I sent $40,000 to the Lions Club. All of that is what I do live on this show for my members. I'm a YouTuber, thanks, and I love your work. Keep it up, you're awesome. Paul Blogs, thank you very much. If you're a YouTuber and you want to be on my show, you can actually call in. We can have a live interview. Or also, if you become a silver member, I can put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel right now. Let me share with you. There you go. And these are all our members. We put them on the homepage, and all of a sudden, during a show, normally on a Friday, I pick one of them and get everyone to watch their videos. And I even make you a video if you make me a manager as well as a silver member. I'll actually make you a video and get everyone to watch it in the show. And we've had many of our members get viral videos because that's what we do. We're just here to help people. We've discovered that helping people is the best way to live. And that's what we do. All right. Anyway, consider being a member, and I guarantee you'll say it's the best thing you ever did. It's why we have the highest membership percentage rate on YouTube, higher than any other channel. Nearly everyone who watches this is a member. Anyway, 1,600 so far, returned from being a member of the group. Wow. That's not bad, is it, Bill? That pays your membership for the next 1,000 years. Brilliant. Anyway, look at this. The S&P 5, I'm up nearly 4% now. I'm saying today it's quite possible I could reach 11%. Which, let's get some context to that. This is my day position. This is my week position. The 3 months now is up 13%. So we are absolutely, definitely 100% in a bear market rally. But if this continues and we can get we can get another 7%, then you would have to argue with that we are now entering a bull market for my portfolio, not for the overall portfolio and everybody else's, but for my portfolio. And that's all that matters to you guys, right? Your portfolio. Doesn't matter what the rest of the market's doing, does it? Let's look at crypto. Ethereum 1752. Oh, Paul Bloggs has become a silver member. Everybody, we've got a new member here. Fantastic. Would everybody please welcome Paul Bloggs? Start by telling everybody your city and country, where you're from. This is the most engaging channel on YouTube. People will support you. Honestly, you are in the very best place if you want to make money, make friends, and grow your social media. That's what we live to do. That's my full-time job, 10 hours a day. So first of all, everybody please put your cities and countries in the chat and welcome our silver member. Just become a silver member. I'm from the UK. I'm from Cornwall. I will be there on the 15th of October. You can be there with us. We're making a film at Virgin Orbit. We're having a party on the beach. We're having entertainment. We're going to be in Cornwall, Exeter, it says Paul, Stephen Rowe. Lovely stuff. Look at the welcome you're getting. Look at the welcome you're getting. I told you, this is the best family on YouTube. Look at that. All right. Look at that. Best welcome on YouTube. Awesome stuff. I love it. All right. So we need to give, as we're still trading, in fact, we're not trading today. Not trading at all. Sydney, Canada. Paul, welcome. Ireland, Court. Look at this. Most friendliest family in the world. Best welcome on YouTube, mate. Ian Jackson, yo, look at it, look. It just doesn't stop. I can't even keep up with the comments. I'm trying to clear the screen. There you go. All right, so let's give Paul Bloggs all his perks. The first thing you need to do, which takes 10 minutes, so we'll do it first. We've got day trader of the day coming up as well right now. So the first thing to do, this is our Discord. As a silver member, you can have full access to Discord. You can even have your own channel. If you want your own channel to promote your business, your website, your channel, whatever it might be. Now, you can get access to Discord for free, but as a silver member, you can have your own channel and also call into the show and promote yourself and make friends and all that stuff. There is the Discord. You might as well go and do it now. It takes about 10 minutes to get through our security. Once it does, I will manually upgrade you live on the show to become a YouTube member. Because right now, you won't be able to call in. You won't have access, all right? Do that now. And if you'd like to go on the homepage of my YouTube channel, let me know. It's not something I just do automatically. You let me know and I'll do it for you. If you make me a manager of your video, of your channel, I will make you a video, a testimonial video. I've done it for all my members, and I create a video, a $500 value, create it for you, upload it to your channel, and it's a video as a testimonial, if you like, to your channel, inviting people to watch your channel, and then I promote it to your channel. I do your thumbnail, your tags, and everything like that. And then during Friday's membership day, I get everyone to watch it. They all watch it, they all like it, they all comment on it, and we've had many of our channels explode with that once I've done that for them, because you get a whole new audience. And we do it from time to time as long as you're a member. Now, you don't have to make me a manager. You can just go, well, stick me on the homepage. That's fine. I don't want you to make me a video, and that's fine. Ion Q. Let's have a look. Oh, hang on. Johnson Johnson. No, not yet. Not cheap enough yet. Microsoft, IonQ, SoFi, IonQ, yeah, up 5.5%. It's Amazon's second biggest investment. It's quantum computing. You had all these idiots last week. What we got now, by the way, is a short squeeze. So I'm going to make a video on that right now. Okay. Let me bring it up to you. Let me bring it up now. This is a short squeeze. And those crazy people last week got completely screwed because they tried to bring down the stock. Remember, I've always said the shorters will always win the battle, but always lose the war. And that's exactly what's happened here today. Exactly what's happened here today. So let's do this right now. Okay. Right. IonQ. Let me get rid of that a minute. That's interesting. Another little thing they've added to the screen. Anyway, let me do it right now. Okay. I'm putting an IonQ video out. Make sure I'm live. I'm live. And 1 hour 31. If you remember, I can do this for you as well. Oops. 1 hour. If you've got a stock you want me to promote, I do it for my members. IonQ. 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 Right. Okay. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. IonQ, ticker symbol IONQ. Quantum computers. Well, a few days ago we saw shorters claim the scalp of IonQ, trying to drive the stock down, and it was done on the basis that they were trying to report that the stock was a scam. That Bill Gates is an idiot. He doesn't know what he's talking about. And Amazon, second biggest investment. They don't know what they're talking about. Why on earth is everyone excited about IonQ? So the shorters launched a load of false information, drew the stock down, and I will show you what I mean. Down it went. I then bought more, absolutely ridiculous, and now what we've got is a short squeeze. What we're seeing now is the price has gone down and down and down. It's now gone too cheap. It's not gone down low enough for the shorters, so they're all getting squeezed out. They either lose all their money or they buy in. So now you've got the bears and the bulls buying in, and that's why IonQ is dramatically up today. Am I selling it? No. Am I doing anything with it? No, not at all. I'm just holding my position of IonQ. Looking great. This is a great stock for the future. It's nowhere near reached its potential because IonQ will make the quantum computers of the future for all the EVs, the flying taxis, and all this kind of stuff. So we need quantum computing. Well, what the shorters were trying to suggest was they're not even doing what they promised to do, and the whole thing's ridiculous and blah, 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 blah. As I've always said on my show, shorters, I love shorters. They're great for my investments. They always win the battle, but they always lose the war. And along the line, they end up all losing their money long term. But some people will say, I'm a short and I make loads of money. It's like a guy who goes into a casino. You'll always hear about the ones who won, but you never hear about the ones who lost, and most will lose. So IonQ is a great investment. I'm very happy to hold it. I only wish I'd bought more. It's a small part of my portfolio, because at the end of the day, this stock could 10x. So 132 shares at $50 a share is a good part of my portfolio. I won't have to trim off this stock. It'll grow into its shoes, if you like. It's a big shoes part of my portfolio. I just made that up, but it seemed right at the time. And it'll grow into its price. I haven't got the funds to put into this stock. I've got my money elsewhere. And that's exactly where I am right now. But anyway, looking good. Let me show you the overall portfolio today, where we are with what's going on. This is the overall portfolio. And as you can see, my portfolio today is up 3.5%. I'm not really going to get excited that we're entering a bull market until I hit 50,000. We had a first bear market rally. We had a sell-off. We're now getting a second bear market rally, but things are different now because we've now reached and set a lower high. So, a higher low. I beg your pardon, which means the last dip was lower than this one. We are starting to recover. Now, we've got potential of the war being over. Do you think the war's going to end soon? We ran a poll this morning and it was just over the majority saying, no, the war is not going to end, but Russia is being pushed back. Sentiment on the markets are up. People are believing that the inflation tomorrow on the CPI rate's coming down. If you click up here, that'll take you to the opening bell in the morning when we'll report on the CPI rate. But there you go. IonQ, it's an asset I'm holding. I believe in it. The overall portfolio is up today. All my shares are up. I've only got a small position of IonQ. I'm not adding to it. I don't need to because this can 10x and be a $50 a share asset in the future. So just let it ride for 5-10 years and that's fine for me. Are you into IonQ? Do you believe IonQ should have been shorted? Was you a shorter? Did you lose loads of money? Leave your comments below in the comments. And if you are a YouTuber, you'll love this because I reply to everyone's comments and I highlight people's comments because I want to help everyone get more views and get everyone grow on social media too. So there you go. IonQ, another good day. Don't get too excited though. The overall markets are up, but this is definitely the beginning of a short squeeze. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick thumbs up for that. There's IonQ. That'll go out later. Okay. I'm in crypto. Where's our TRY, the stock East small float? TRY? Do you mean Tilray? What did you mean by that? Just repeat your comment, Troy. Longer trains and shorter stops reduce the key measure of cost to revenue that the railroads call their operating ratio. Thank you very much, Church, for sharing your information. Vinco Ventures, BBIG. Vinco Ventures. What's going on with Vinco Ventures? Tell me all about it. I'm into XRP and XRM. We have quite a few traders here in XRP. Ali Tisro's the one you want to talk to on TikTok. Sorry, not TikTok. I beg your pardon. Discord. Did you get over on Discord so I can upgrade your account? I was waiting to do that. It takes about 10 minutes and we've only got 20 minutes left of our show. So I won't be able to do it unless you do it now. And also let me know if you want to be on the homepage of our channel. I also was going to give you all the perks and benefits as well. As a silver member, you are now entitled to a 20-minute concert, either a fundraiser, if you want to do a fundraiser here in the back of my studio where all the money go to your favorite charity, or perhaps you've got a wedding or a birthday, something you want to celebrate, I will do that for you for 20 minutes. Also on your birthday, for you or any member of your family, the day of, the day before, or the day after, I will happily celebrate your birthday live in the show, and we have a lot of fun doing that as well. Here we go. The boost, Ukraine's victories are exciting Wall Street. The boost could soon fade. No, I'm optimistic that Russia will not win this war. I am optimistic for that. So when that ends, get ready for 30% pump. I'm also in IonQ, 50 myself. Let's see how it goes. So there you go. Many of the perks that you get as a member, Paul Blogs. And don't forget, I do want to give you all the perks, so make sure you don't miss out. And I will answer any questions that you need. Amazing, you are so nice. I'm here to help people, right? As long as you remember, you keep growing, we all keep growing together. That's what we do, all right? Okay, quick commercial break. We're running out of time. We've got day trader of the day right after the break. You ready? Come right back in 10 seconds from now and we will do our day trader of the day. Here we go. Okay, we are back. Now, if anybody wants to join me on the 15th of October, I need to know if you are meat or vegetable for your pasty on the beach. 15th of October in Cornwall. $50 super chat or £50 super chat. You'll be sent. Your name will be put on the list, and the information is all in our newsletter. All right, our information is in our newsletter. And regardless of what comes next, it may be too late to save Europe's economy from recession, as the sharp recession is a good time to enter the market, though. A recession is when you do buy the market. That's when the most money is made. Looming rail strike could cost $2 billion per day. Oh my God. Anyway, we're focusing on negatives. We don't focus on the negatives. We focus on the positives all the time with the reality underneath. All right. Building the foundations, guys. Right. Day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. We're running out of time. We've only got 15 minutes to go. Go to your main portfolio. Has anyone changed since the death of the Queen regarding the markets? No. I keep being asked that. The markets have been pumping since the Queen died, but no, the markets have nothing to do with the Queen dying. I've messaged you on Discord. All right, I'm now going on Discord. A direct message. Pending. Paul Blogs. There you go. Come on into our, I've just done that. Come once I see you come into the welcome all screen, I will know you're with me. You've not yet appeared. I'm trying to wait as long as I can. It could take 10 minutes to get through. All right, you will appear here on the welcome all once you've signed in, unless you are Radiant, but I don't think you are. You are Paul Blogs, which is, I love when people use their real names. Brilliant. Just come into the welcome all page and I'll be able to upgrade your account live on the show, because in a minute I'm going to end the show, but I am back for the closing bell. Of course, you go on the home page of the YouTube channel and you can see the upcoming live streams. I'm live every day at the same time. There you go. It's like a TV guide. The upcoming live streams. There's the next show this afternoon. There it is, the closing bell. All right. Always the same time, every day. Always here, never going anywhere. Okay, so day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. And we'll do it right now. Let's see if I gain any subscribers. 4831. That must have been our friend Paul Blogs earlier. Didn't move today, which is unusual, especially on a bull market, a bear market rally like this. Okay, 3.23 up today. 3.23%. Once the first person posts their score, I will start doing it. And we've got just 14 minutes to go. Here come the scores. Now, if everyone's behind the show, make sure you've clicked the like button so you're up to date. On the bottom of the screen, there is a like button. If it's grey, you're behind. If it's red, you're up to date. Oh, we've got some good scores coming in here now. We've got some good scores. I'm excited to share this with you. Here we go. I thought I was doing well. Power and Beauty is down 1.37. We're sorry to hear that. Stephen Lewandowski is up 0.5. That's pretty good. But look at this. The Queen of Self-Braiding up 8.68. She has smashed it. This is your overall portfolio, up 8.68. Up 1.35. Wow, wow, Queen, amazing. Down 2%, Church of Logic. If you want to see my full portfolio, I will share it with you on Discord. You've just got to ask. Down 2%. Mike says wow to the Queen. That's a winning score. That's got to be the winning score today. Got to be, right? Got to be the winning score today. Siddhartha is up 0.65. There we go. Ian Jackson is up 4.442. Fantastic. Let me share all these scores here, look. But I think the Queen has got it. I mean, very, very nice. Very, very nice indeed. Okay. If you want to highlight your name or you want to request a song, you got just a few minutes to go. Do a super chat and you can... don't forget, if we've got any members today, it's their birthday for any of their loved ones. Yesterday, today or tomorrow, I have BBIG Ethereum Classic on my main portfolio. There we go. Queen of Self-Braiding is sharing what she's got. Fusion is up 3.3. But there we go. The winner is, without a shadow of a doubt, the Queen of Self-Braiding. So, first of all, let's thank her for her honest trades. There we go. Give her a thumbs up. And here's the sound effects. Oh, yeah. Awesome stuff. Very, very nice indeed. Queen of Self-Braiding. Look at that. Good, good, good. Congratulations to Power and Beauty Photography. I love it. Just keeping my eye out for our new guest who just signed up for Discord. It's Paul Blogs 2. He's not on the server yet, so I can't upgrade his account. And when he does appear, I will. If I don't have time to do it now, I'll do it when I come back this afternoon. I'm really going up now. The 3.65. I'm looking for 11% rise today. I want to go past 45,000. That is when I'm starting to realize that we are starting. My portfolio is starting to enter a bull market because this is a higher low. If I hit 45 and go through that, we hit 45 last time and it all came back down again. So we want to go through 45 and head towards 50,000, and then things are really starting to turn around. And it's why I'm in the markets, why I'm staying in the markets, and why I'm not going anywhere. Call of Duty creators partnered with EA on a project yet to be announced. That's exciting stuff. Let's see where our gains are coming from. EA stock is rallying 3%, up 1.24. Virgin Galactic, a lot of scalp trading going on this morning, but I'm just holding my position. Virgin Orbit, want to get more of Virgin Orbit. Looking for a nice big drop. Tesla, 1.62. Rivian. Lucid. This is great for so many of my companies now. I have nowhere to go anywhere, so here I am. Hello, Bill. We love having you here every day. Arrival, 110. Now, Arrival should have moved today. It didn't, which means no one's buying it. I could sell my Arrival and just go, forget it. It's not going anywhere. It could go bankrupt. It could. So many markets are up today. Arrival is doing nothing. On a day like this, Arrival should be going up. It should be going up. And it isn't. This could be a potential $1,000 loss. I'm seriously considering selling my Arrival because on a day like today, it should be going up. Okay, so I'm going to make a video on Arrival. This should be going up. The clock is 1:48. 1 hour 48. ARVL. ARVL, it should be going up. So I'm a bit concerned. If I'm totally honest with you, Arrival should be moving. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Arrival, ticker symbol ARVL. I'm making this video during a live broadcast, and I am concerned about it. And as I said that, look, it went down. This company is in serious financial trouble. This company, I believe in what they're doing. I believe in the project. I believe in the company. Sadly, though, we're in very, very difficult times. The company could go bust. We have to be realistic about that. The company could go bust. Now, the situation is this. I doubled up my position when it dropped down the other day. Why I'm concerned is because at the end of the day, you have to respect your money, right? It doesn't matter how good the company is. They're a business, and it's all about numbers. And right now, interest rates are going to go up. The CPI rate tomorrow might tell us that inflation's coming down, but the CPI, but the inflation interest rates will still go up. They can't raise money, so that's getting more expensive. They can't raise money through dilution. The stock's not worth enough. That's the last thing they want to do. We've got a market like this today where my entire portfolio is up. Everything is up, and the EV sector is up, but Arrival is still going down. This is not good news for Arrival. Now, I know making this video and putting this video out is negative publicity on the stock, and I own it. But we always tell the truth here on the show, and if the video makes the stock go down, the stock goes down. But this show is all based on integrity, right? The reality is, though, unfortunately, this company, no matter how good it is, it could go bankrupt. It might just not be able to survive. That is the reality of it. So right now, on a day when all markets are up, this should be doing all right. It should be at 112, 113. It should be sitting there. But unfortunately, it's not. So I'm concerned. I've got $1,000 on the line. I'm down $76. I don't expect it to go down today to zero, but we could hear news anytime. We don't know what's going on behind closed doors. But when the markets look like this, and all other EVs are up, and in fact, I will share with you some EVs. If it's your very first time on the channel and you've not subscribed to our channel, please click subscribe across the top here now. There you go. And don't forget to smash the like button as well. Smash the like button and help this channel grow by sharing honest, real news. We're not here to promote stock. We're here to help people make money and share the facts. And the facts of the matter is we're only in stocks to make money. We're not fanboys. We're not fans or anything. But let me share with you what's going on the markets right now with other EVs. Let's look at Polestar, a new Swedish company. They're up today. They were down massively on their IPO, down 31%, but they're up today. Let's look at Lucid. Lucid is up 6% today. I've doubled up my position. Let's look at Rivian today, up 3.15. Let's look at Tesla today, 1.6. Everything is doing great. So why is Arrival doing so badly? Well, the reality is no one is buying it right now. And it's not because the company are not doing anything great. It's because, and it should be, because your money can make more money elsewhere. Now, it could be a timing. It could be a timing issue, hold fire, and all of a sudden this stock could 10x. And it could 10x. But the trouble is now it's entered a point when it is so cheap, they can't raise money, they're running out of money, and interest rates are going up. The war in Ukraine could be coming to an end, possibly. Russia are being pushed back, things would improve. But can this company survive? If they can survive, then this could 10x. One bit of good news and we're okay. But right now we don't know. So your money could be working somewhere else and equally making as much money without the risk. Now I'm in on Arrival. I'm holding it. I'm making this video. I'm putting my own stock down. But that's what we do here on the Day Trader. What do you think? Click here for our our live shows, and we'll be back in the morning for our CPI rate report. But we already know, we're already making projections that it could be seeing inflation peaking, coming down. Interest rates are predicted to go to 0.5%. That's what I think is going to happen. So Arrival should be going up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are you an investor in Arrival? Should I sell it? I'm not selling it at this precise moment, but my finger is on the button to sell it. I might sell it today. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, thumbnail. Do you like all these little things I have to do, guys? This is the world of a YouTuber. The world of a YouTuber. Right, there we go. I'll put that video out later. What do you think about that? Down $76. I don't want to lose $76, but I'd rather that than lose $1,000. Right, we're out of time. It's time to, of course, wrap up the show, and we have to do our roll the credits. See who took part in today's show. Did we get Paul Bloggs? No, Paul Bloggs still not with us yet. Paul Bloggs waiting to see you in the channel so I can upgrade you. Join me later today live. There you go. I don't think he's here. He's over on Discord, but you know how we do things here. We have to confirm it's really him. Very, very important not to upgrade the wrong people. Okay, we're coming to the end of the show. Yeah, just checking he's not in the server. Roll the credits. Is it time to roll the credits? It just might well be. You might be right. It's roll the credits. Bye, everyone. Enjoy your swim, Martin. Thank you. Roll the credits. Roll the credits. Okay, I'll do it. Here we go. Let's bring on the music. Let's see who did the good stuff today. Shoo-doo-doo-be-doo-doo, shoo-doo-be-doo-be-doo-wah. Shoo-doo-doo-doo-be-doo-be-doo-wah. Here we go. Roll 'em, boss man. Shoot-be-doo-be-doo. All right, then. Stars of the show. Arrival's coming up, by the way. Moderator. Mike slayed the restream bot again. Absolutely awesome. We got some more followers on TikTok today. That's great. Not TikTok. What am I on about? Twitch. All you need to do now is become a Twitch subscriber, and you'll be in our free prize draw. That's Simply Terrell. Subscriber, Simply Terrell, got a subscriber, and Paul Bloggs became a member here on YouTube. Fantastic. I've not yet upgraded his account on Discord yet, but hopefully we'll see him this afternoon, and I will gladly do that. But that's it for now, though. We're all done, and I'll see you all back this afternoon. Arrivals round the 109, bouncing around a little bit. I'm concerned with it. If I can, I'm seriously considering if I can get a little bounce. I might. It's your job, Mike. You're damn right. It's your job. It's your responsibility. Yeah, stay on it. I might sell at Arrival today. I'm not going to knee-jerk reaction. We're not going to get any bad news today. But I am concerned of it, and that's $1,000 I could just put straight in my bank and make money from somewhere else. All right, Virgin Galactic 603. That's it from me. I look forward to seeing you all back this afternoon for the closing bell. I've got to go. Thank you very much for all your support today. Love you all. Appreciate everything. But that's it. I'm out of here. Did we get any more subscribers? I think we got a couple. 4831, 4832. Yep, pretty good. All right, guys. I'll see you back this afternoon. Have a lovely, lovely day. Take care of yourselves and each other.